It's so deep in your eyes. I touch on you more and more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2, 3 times in a row. It's a funny thing for me to try to explain. How I'm feeling and my pride is the one to blame. Cause I know I don't understand.
Hey everyone, this is your girl Kibo. I'm super excited to share this look with you guys. The look is called Blank Canvas. This look is also a collaboration with my cousin Kimberly P, and her YouTube as well as Instagram is at KP Sparks, and I'll go ahead and link her information below. So when you're done watching my video, you can go ahead and head over to her channel and watch her video and subscribe to her channel as well. So for those of you guys who have never heard or seen of the blank canvas look, we were inspired by Ronke Raji, and Ronke Raji was inspired by James Charles. So we are using our faces as the blank canvas and merging that with makeup just to bring you guys art and show you guys a look that looks difficult, but is actually really easy once you're doing it and once you see the steps of how we're doing what we're doing. One of my goals for this year on my YouTube channel was to bring you guys really creative looks and step outside of my comfort zone as well as stepping outside of the box. So I definitely want to be more challenged, and if you guys ever see some intricate looking pictures, like please send them to me or tag me in them, because I would love to recreate the look and do a tutorial on my channel.
When I talk to my friends so quietly, 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 I wasn't here from the start. When I talk to my friends so quietly, who we think he is? Look at what you did to me. Take your shoes, don't even need to buy a new dress. If you ain't there, ain't nobody else to impress. It's the way that you know what I thought I knew. It's the beat that my heart gets when I'm with you. But I still don't understand just how you look and do know it was can. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now. Got me hoping you page me right now. Your kiss got me hoping you save me right now. Looking so crazy, your love got me looking so crazy, your love.
incredibly, your girl, B, most incredibly, it's your girl, B, most incredibly, it's your girl, B.
I look to stare so deep in your eyes. I touch on you more and more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2-3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. How I'm feeling and my pride is the one to blame. 'Cause I know
I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching my video. And don't forget to share this with your mans, for real. Don't forget to share this with your mans. Don't forget to, most importantly, subscribe to my channel so that you can see what I have in store for you guys this year. Also, don't forget to click the link in my description box so that you guys can watch Kimberly's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.